A lot of people think that I wear a Superman shirt underneath this, but the reality is if you're in a high stress environment, you have to have tools. Some of the tools that I've got, number one, let's start with the daily routine. Try to get up at sunrise where things are still quiet, get a little bit of time to yourself. It could be as simple as going for a quick walk for 10, 20, 30 minutes, nothing too extravagant. How else do I deal with it? Getting the right type of nutrition as well. That's a big role in ensuring that your body can function in a healthy environment. Your sleep routines. I know when I've done things wrong that day because I'll feel it the next morning. A lot of people say they can sit on a couch after 2 minutes and fall asleep, and they probably could, but are they really getting a good quality sleep? Most of them aren't. I'm not an expert on sleep cycles, but I can tell you there's a few things that I have learned that have helped. Number one, reducing the amount of screen time for a couple of hours before you go to bed. TV, or most people scrolling on their phone, dimming the lights. There's a range of teas that you can drink that help calm. The whole idea is you're trying to get your body to produce natural melatonin. There's other people, like I said, they just work, and I've tried it as well, work till midnight, crash out on the couch, but you're gonna wake up the next day feeling like you've been hit by a truck. That sleep routine, if you can get it right and get into the right cycles, you'll find yourself being so much more productive the next day.